Hello kids, today we learn alphabet A, B, C. Color pen name red color, green color, pink color, green color, yellow color, silver color, golden color, brown color, sky blue color. Sky blue color. A for apple. A for apple. Navy blue color. B. B for basket. B for basket. Light green color. C. C for cow. C for cow. Red color. D. D for doll. D for doll. Yellow color. E. E for elephant. E for elephant. Orange color. F. F for flower. F for flower. Navy blue color. Z. Z for grape. Blue color. H. H for honey. H for honey. Light green color. I. I for ice cream. Red color. J. J for juice. Yellow color. K. K for kite. Orange color. L. L for lion. Sky blue color. M. M for mango. M for mango. Blue color. N. N for nut. Light green color. O. O for orange. O for orange. Red color. P. P for parrot. Yellow color. Q. Q for queen. Q for queen. Orange color. R. R for rose. Sky blue color. S. S for sun. S for sun. Blue color. T. T for tiger. T for tiger. Light green color. U. U for umbrella. Red color. V. V for vase. Yellow color. W. W for watermelon. Orange color. X. X for X-ray. Sky blue color. Y. Y for yolk. Blue color. Z. Z for zebra.